In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly navigate through your Squarespace website using the example of Accordion Aardvark 9e23. Squarespace.com will delve into some basic editing features, and by the end, you'll have the confidence to tailor your site to your liking. So, let's jump right in. First, open up your web browser and go to your specific Squarespace site. You'll want to enter the admin configuration page where you can oversee every aspect of your site. Ensure you're logged in with the correct credentials so that you have the appropriate permissions to make changes. Once you're on your site, the next step is to locate the Edit button. You'll typically find this at the top of the page or within the site menu. Clicking on Edit enables editing mode, allowing you to make planned adjustments to your website. This is an essential step, as you'll be moving elements around and making your site reflect precisely what you envisage. With editing mode active, you should scroll down through your web pages to pinpoint sections that need modification. At this stage, you're free to change text, swap images, adjust layout settings, or even alter your site's color scheme. Keeping a clear vision of your site's purpose is essential here. Doing so will keep your modifications consistent with your brand's voice and aesthetic. After making the changes you see fit, it's important to ensure your site looks just as good on mobile devices as it does on desktops. To do this, toggle the mobile view setting, often represented by a smartphone icon in the editing interface. Click on this to switch your view. This feature is critical as more users than ever are browsing on their phones, and you want to make sure that your site is accessible and visually appealing on all platforms. With your mobile view sorted, review your changes and see if any additional amendments are necessary. You can move elements just like you did in the desktop view, adjusting sizes, padding, and margins to suit smaller screens. Once you're satisfied with the alterations, it's time to finalize everything. Click the Save button, which is typically located near the top right of the page or in a floating menu. This action stores your hard work and applies the updates to the live version of your site. After saving, you can exit the editing mode, confident that your site now has a polished, professional look. And there you have it, a refreshed, responsive Squarespace site that represents your digital presence just the way you want. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to save this video for future reference and share it with others who might find it useful. Until next time, happy editing.